Throughout the 3 billion years of life on Earth, the mysterious power we call intelligence has deepened and spread. We are now in the midst of an eruption of this intelligence, an emergence so vast, we refer to it as a global brain. It amounts to a transformation of the evolutionary process itself. I'm Brian Thomas Swim with the Human Energy Project. Our series of short films is exploring the way humanity is building a planetary mind, one called the Noosphere. As we deepen our understanding of the Noosphere, we will come to a common purpose, a common meaning that will help us address our global challenges together. In today's film, we investigate a crucial amplification of human intelligence that took place in what archaeologists call the formative period of North America. The biological meaning of intelligence is just this: the capacity to figure things out. For example, our ancestors figured out how to get food when they invented the spear for hunting. In doing so, they extended their mind outside of their physical body and into the wood of the spear. Then at some point, perhaps 10,000 years ago, humans recognized the reality of a collective mind and used this knowledge to hunt not just individual animals, but entire herds. The process began with a group of humans following a herd of bison and gently directing them toward an unseen cliff. At an agreed-upon signal, the humans raised a great noise and charged. To guarantee that the herd would not change directions, a decoy human wearing a bison's skin was placed between the herd and the cliff. When the shouting began, he would come out of his hiding and run, and the bison herd, fooled into following this fake leader, would plummet to their death below. Though horrific by contemporary standards, and rightfully so, this example provides a powerful window into the development of the planetary mind. The actions of these Neolithic humans reflect their understanding of the relationships at work in the herd. Engaging in this manner, humans extended their minds not just into physical objects like a spear, but into the relationships of other beings. An even further deepening of human participation in planetary intelligence is seen when our ancestors discovered how to domesticate animals, such as turkeys and dogs. By restricting sexual reproduction to those individual animals possessing desirable traits, humans altered the anatomy and behavior of their penned-up animals. When we include the domesticated plants such as potatoes, squash, and corn, we see the mind of humanity spreading out from individual humans to course through animal bodies and cultivated fields. Today, similar breakthroughs in planetary intelligence are taking place, but at deeper levels of complexity. More than understanding just the mind of herd animals, in mid-20th century, we have come to understand the mind of Earth itself. Scientists discovered that for 4 billion years, the Earth system has been constantly figuring out how to alter its atmosphere to protect its life. If Earth had been passive, the increasing temperature of the sun would have burnt up all life. So we don't just live on the surface of the planet, we live inside its mind. Equally significant, we have come to realize that with our extensive presence throughout the planet, we are altering the DNA not just of turkeys or dogs, but of every species in the Earth community. Evolution itself has been changed in a most basic way. Because humanity's mind has spread so powerfully, the evolution of our planet now proceeds by passing through the conscious self-awareness of a single species, Homo sapiens. The challenge before us is to recognize our crucial role in evolution so that we might carry the development of planetary intelligence further. We are in the early stages of this transformation. We are feeling our way into the future. The Human Energy Project, as a focal point, is creating videos to help us wonder over the challenge of conscious evolution. We need to dream together. A first step is to remember now and then that we live inside the Earth's mind. Ultimately, we are asked to take on a new level of responsibility. Humanity is the conscious self-awareness of the whole system. Our challenge is to figure out how to become a planetary mind in service to the entire Earth community.
Hi, my name is Sam King, and I'm a teacher and student of religion and ecology and a partner of the Human Energy Project. If you feel inspired by this emergence of a planetary mind in service of the Earth community, please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.